Hello everyone. I don't go on crash diets. I eat everything in moderation to manage my weight. I am sharing what I eat on my cheat meal day. This is organic chicken we got from Costco. Wash and cut into small pieces by my son Girish. I am using 1 tablespoon organic ghee clarified butter. On a low flame, stir fry bottle gourd for 5 minutes. Off camera, I have added 1.5 glasses of milk, adding 1 cup of nuts, mix of cashews, almonds and walnuts. Adding chopped dates. Mix all the ingredients nicely. I have roasted 20 grams of macana foxnut in a pan. Let it cool down completely and keep the dessert in the deep freezer for 2 hours. Turn on the gas on high flame and heat the pan. Add 1.5 tablespoons of mustard oil to the pan. Add 3 tablespoons of cut red onion to the pan. Saute well. Add 10 chopped green chilies. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Saute well the ginger and garlic paste for 2 minutes. Add the chicken to the pan. Mix all the spices and the chicken nicely. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of chicken curry masala. Mix all the spices and the chicken nicely and cook for 5 minutes. Wow, the color and the texture of the chicken are looking great. Add salt according to taste. Add the cut tomatoes to the pan. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes on a low flame. The tomatoes are fully cooked, nice and soft. Our chicken will be ready in a few minutes. Add a handful of culantro, we call it awapadigom in the Manipuri language, and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Our chicken curry is ready. It looks so delicious. Let's add some chopped cilantro. I am roasting ngari, fermented fish from Manipur, India. Let's make our singju. Our tambao, gobi and tunikok singju are ready. I have taken out the dessert from the freezer and added some apples as a topping. Let's make our lunch plate. Steam rice. our salad and spicy bamboo shoot iromba, soibum iromba. Our tambao, gobi and toninghok singju. This is the chicken curry. And lastly, bottle gourd, makhana and nuts kheer. Let me enjoy my cheat meal. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye and take care.